mag-apply ka, so mapifeel mo talaga yung kanyang cooling effect.
But in this particular case, since we don't know the components and they are not really registered with the FDA, so I don't think we can trust as of now what they claim to be the effects of such products.
I was doing those videos to teach, and I was so disheartened to find out that it was used to sell a product that was not even FDA approved. So it was used to fool people. So for me, that was really disheartening.